precision in every detail, powering stable, efficient production from the ground up. At WeWin, automation is seamlessly integrated across warehousing, assembly, testing, and quality control, maximizing production capacity while ensuring consistent quality. Tailored cobots handle a wide range of products with speed and standardized precision. Through automation and multi-node architecture, our test stations can process over 1,000 servers at once, delivering fast, scalable, and reliable validation. Meanwhile, digital twins technology mirrors real-time factory operations. By leveraging AI-generated production data, the system delivers instant feedback, boosting staff efficiency and enabling faster, smarter on-site decisions.
WeWin, your best choice for workload optimization and TCO.